In this video, I show you how to clear any active faults on the 7-inch embedded touchscreen on the controller. This cycle was set up to run and the CTs for channels 2 and 3 were disconnected. The heating pad was also removed for channel 2. As you can see, the faulted button has turned red to indicate a fault present. Pressing the faults button will list the faults. In this window, you can see the active faults, or you can enable and disable this pop-up window using these two buttons. Pressing the AC button will attempt to clear any active faults. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to HeatView.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.